Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how you can get this super natural makeup look for your meetings and video calls. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, let's get into the video. First, let's tie our hair up into a ponytail so that our hair doesn't distract us. Now I'm taking my Pond's moisturizer. This is the lightweight, this is the hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E face moisturizer. Pure beauty, amazing product. You need to try it out, guys. Now I'm taking up my foundation. So this is the Olivia foundation. This is very low on coverage, and that was something I wanted for this look. Very light weight foundation, and something which has really less coverage. So yeah, I am applying it all over my face. Now I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend it out. And trust me, beauty blender is the best thing to blend in your foundation, because yeah, it's just gonna absorb the extra product from your face and make you look very fresh and youthful. Now to make that face, to give some color to the face, I'm taking my blush. This is a pinky rosy color blush which looks absolutely pretty on video calls. Trust me when I say this, on camera, this blush looks really natural and it will make you look really fresh. So yeah, applying it centers of my face and the cheek area. Now I'm taking the same blush and applying it on my eye space, with a fluffy eyeshadow blush, just to give some definition to my eyes, and this way it will also make our eyes look pretty. Yeah, better than nothing. So yeah, now let's move on to the eyebrows. Now I'm just filling in the gaps in between my brows, not gonna overline or do dramatic things. Yeah, just gonna lightly fill in my brows with a brown color eyebrow pencil. Yeah, now let me brush it out so that it looks all natural. Now applying few coats of mascara to my upper lashes as well as my lower lashes, because yeah, I really like fluttery eyelashes, and yeah, you can obviously make some crazy faces while doing this, because yeah, that helps. Now taking this highlighter, which is not very blinding. So yeah, this is gonna go with our today's look. So applying it on the highest points of my face. And now lastly, I'm gonna apply a nude lipstick to complete this look. And yeah, voila, we are done with the look. Looks fresh and very natural. I hope you like it. And yeah, let's go to the video call.